Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon crème brûlée. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Don't forget the bright zest of 2 lemons and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice for that tangy kick. A teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt will round out the flavors perfectly. This combination creates a rich, creamy base for our delightful dessert. Now let's make the custard. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they are light and creamy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream with the lemon zest until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture while continuously whisking to temper the eggs. Finally, stir in the fresh lemon juice and vanilla extract until everything is smoothly combined. It's time to bake. Pour your prepared custard evenly into 4 to 6 individual ramekins, filling each about 3/4 of the way. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish. Carefully add hot water to the baking dish, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until the edges are set but the centers still have a slight jiggle. The final, exciting step is creating that signature caramelized top. Once your custards are thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each. Then, using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes bubbly. Serve these delightful lemon crème brûlées immediately to savor the contrast of the warm, crisp sugar crust and the cool, creamy custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.